Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back again. So, trading meme coin can be so rewarding and yet it's also risky. But the risky part of it is also a mass. There is a massive reward behind its risk. So, just imagine you invest just $50 and or $100 and you are able to cash out like $20,000 with just in a just few minutes or just an hour, or not even an hour, is in a just few minutes. Let me show you accounts this account. Just look at how people are investing and look at the profit they are making. Just look at the profit they bought and they sold. This person actually invests just 1,511 and he sold 45k, making a profit of 44k. Let me show you the least person that invests here. The least person actually invests here and was able to sold and make a massive profit here. So as you can see, this dude here, number 86, just take a look at this number 86 actually invests 132 and make $27,000. Just look how massive it is. Just look at it. He invests 132 and make 11 or $27,000. So and that is how people keep making money here. And just in Donald Trump launched a coin yesterday. MemeCoin yesterday. I actually missed out because I although I saw the here is the coin. I saw the I I'm not sure this is it because it's actually 14 billion coin market cap currently. So I saw the tweet yesterday and immediately I did not although I did not go ahead and trade it because I saw it that maybe his account was hacked or something like that. Though I even bookmarked it and I don't know just know what's wrong with me why I did not trade it yesterday. But people actually make a massive money yesterday. And let me show you what is was going on Twitter yesterday. Look how people bought and look what people say. Just look at the profits. Millions of profits are making here on this Donald Trump. Though there was some impersonation that people start, but even as at then, people still keep making millions of. So look at the tweet yesterday. Look at it. This was it, and look at it. I actually bookmarked it yesterday, 22 hours ago, and by the time I also check again, it was still $7, which I did not just take it serious. Look at this person make almost 2 million. Look at it as the profit almost. Look at the profit. Just look at how people make money on MemeCoin. So this was okay. This was the last post. Look at my tweets here. So let me take you to my tweets. Yesterday I made a tweet about it yesterday. So I think okay. As at then it was still $7. So look at it, it was still $7 then. And the liquidity, the market cap was still 7 billion. So and the market cap just fly from that just to 24. Let assume I bought this and the last tweet I made, it was $26. It's still rising, $26. So let's check the current price now and see how the coin has made so far. Let's make use of Bitmart. Maybe Bitmart listed it. So here is it on Bitmap. Let's check it. Slow. So look at it. Look at the coin now. This is the coin from $1 here. It goes up. Look at the listing. The opening price was $1 and it go up to $28 here, and it's make the highest high was $35, and as the time I make the tweet on my Twitter, it was $7. The second time I make another tweet, it was $26. It was around this price and it actually make a move up to $35. Let us assume this $1 at the market, as then if I actually took it serious, I will have also make a massive money. But well, it's an opportunity and we already missed the opportunity. So if you actually make money from this Trump meme coin, you let me know. And also, if you are interested in trading meme coin, you can actually follow my Twitter, and I will be dropping the tweets. I will be dropping some tweets, the decks on how I trade, and I will also there is a particular video I want to show you how to go into as a sniper. Look at this is how, look at the people that are currently holding it. Let's check these snipers. I think they should be able to have the snipers. Let's check. Let's check the transaction. Well, okay, there's no currently snipers here. So the snipers are